Aldona MLA Carlos Ferreira has called for faster movement of government files, saying bureaucratic delays often slow down important public work and can affect safety-related projects. Speaking at the foundation stone laying ceremony for the remaining work of the retaining wall at Deus High School ground in Corjuem, the MLA said the project was a long-pending demand that required urgent attention to prevent a possible collapse. Ferreira said the 37 lakhs project was fast-tracked despite several objections, allowing the pending work to finally commence. He added that the retaining wall is essential as children regularly use the ground and authorities cannot risk any tragedy. The MLA also expressed hope that contractor would complete the work before the monsoon intensifies and urged reforms to reduce bureaucratic delays so that public needs can be addressed more efficiently in the future.
देवा बापाच्या आणि आमच्या स्वाम्यान जेजू ख्रिस्ताची कृपा आणि शांती तुमचे सोबे असो. अर्गा तुका सोम्या, अर्गा तुका दोन्या, अर्गा तुका अर्गा.
With the blessings of Reverend Father Geronimo, आमचो कपेलो हिंगाचो कुर्जेचो and आमची Deputy Sarpanch Abhitnya Satadekar, our ward member here, Panch member Babita Falkar, आमचो कुर्जेचो Panch member Yashwant, with Nettie also, Nataline Kulaso, Panch member, and my dear friends. आमी आयले हिंगा inauguration of the commencement of the work of the balance retaining work of Deus school ground. That was a long pending demand, and it had to be done because otherwise this whole thing would have collapsed. So we managed to get this approval, fast tracked it, pushed it, so many objections, but at the end finally we could make sure that the file was cleared and the work could commence. And the contractor has bid it for 37 lakhs and odd, and he expects to do the work despite the oncoming monsoon. He says that he will try his best to finish the work before the full monsoon sets in. So I thank the government for having made sure that this long pending demand of the village, of our institution, of the school also, and of the local villagers were also fulfilled, and that we could manage to service and provide this facility so that we have this, because children come here to the ground, they play, and we can't have any tragedies. I also believe that any government file should move with faster speed, not this kind of bureaucratic delays which I always complain about. And but at least I do hope that in future we will be able to change the system and the method in which the functioning takes place, and be able to reach out to the people for the needs faster than spending money in the wrong places. Thank you.
What is the height of the thing and any sitting arrangements?
No, this is only the retaining wall. This is not a compound wall for a playground or something, because the playground is inside. So this is a retaining wall. Otherwise this will collapse. So it is for sustaining that. This is part of it. Part of it was already done earlier. This is the balance half now.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.